Welcome radio, and today we're doing a Texas soda. I'm still waiting for Jason to get his stuff out of the truck. Yeah, play that awesome intro video. Here we are in the car. I'm all packed up. There's some stuff back there for the Texas Soda Mountain Summit, and I'm on my way. Just got to make a couple quick stops before hitting the road.
You're gonna take it real easy.
I got cigars now.
Just enjoy
while I'm sitting here driving, listening to and radio class course. Of course, I got the radio on too. I'm doing this for y'all. Let's go into Buc-ee's. Gigantic wall of soda. Staggering amounts of coffee. And just for me, icy machine end caps. Alright, that's Buc-ee's. Going back on the road, and it does look like it's going to storm, so final push, here we come. Here we are, finally off the freeways. Nothing tells you you're getting close to the trailhead like a dirt road. Well, here we are at the trailhead. Just waiting for Jason. I got the bag all packed, got the water, and looks like a beautiful day. One thing you learn as a YouTuber, you'll never end messing with cameras.
You're gonna take it real easy.
I got cigars now.
Just enjoy.